This video will demonstrate the step-by-step process for configuring edge storage on your device. Begin by navigating to the Setup menu. Go to the Devices section and select the specific device from the list. Next, access the Edge Storage tab. Enable the Edge Storage option and click Apply to save the changes. The current status of the SD card will then be displayed. As shown here, a reformat of the SD card may be required. The total capacity of the SD card is now visible. This ensures that all video data has been successfully synced, filling any existing gaps within the recording archive.